Today I'm going to show you how to make thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Now this is going to be through Canva because Canva is free, and when you're brand new, you might not have a lot of fun straight away as you're buying mics and different things like that. So we're going to use Canva. I would recommend the Adobe Suite usually, but we're going to do a thumbnail style for a informational video kind of like this that is updates. So we're going to do a new layout, and they do have some templates you can use if you need some help looking for ideas, but I'm just going to go with a blank slate. And today we're going to do a Helldivers thumbnail, and I want it to do something like, for this, see, this is the Helldivers 2 update where they have the ODST stuff. So I'm going to go and look for a Halo PNG that I like, and we're going to be looking for ODST specifically, because those are the Spartans they're pretty much adding into the game. And I want the ODST one that's the iconic one. I'm just going to screenshot this one. And I'm going to remove .bg to remove the background. Got my image in there. Boom. See, background's gone. Then you can download the image. Drop it in like so. I like this Helldivers image, so I'm going to steal this one. Drop this in. So we already kind of have a bit of a thumbnail going, except the thing is this image is not very high resolution, so I'm going to see if I can't find something better. Okay, I found this new ODST image that I'm going to use. Boom, just like that. Download it. Hey, this one does look nice, but it's just kind of grainy. Drop this in there, and I'm going to do a shadows glow. I'm going to do a white. Make it kind of really bright. I want this to be really bright. See, this is coming along pretty well. I can also do a blur. I kind of want to keep it, you want to keep it really simple. Actually, let's not do new update. Let's do ODST update. I'm going to download this Helldivers logo PNG right here. So I'm going to save this one. This down here. And right there we have a simple thumbnail created for the new update, ODST update, and we got some Helldiver stuff in the background that's been blurred out. The reason why I've blurred this out is because if I do this, it's a little too busy, and I feel like my eyes don't really know where to go. There's too much going on. But if I just blur it out just enough that you can still kind of see and tell what it is. Like, I can see this as Helldivers right here because of the logo, and I can tell just enough from seeing the Helldivers trailer what this is. So it's pretty easy. You want it straightforward and easy to understand. Okay, this is the ODST update for this game. Pretty easy to understand. With this one, this is what they're doing with Black Ops, the Black Ops background, and then this is kind of eye-catching. Oh, what are they lying to me about? Click on it, find out. And this is a pretty big update for this game, as this is two games merging. You can also do a thumbnail where you did Helldivers plus and then the ODST logo is another way you could do it. Like if I just move this out of the way, I could do like Helldivers right here, and then I could do a plus sign and then Halo at the bottom. That's another thumbnail that you could do. I usually just kind of scour the internet for stuff that I liked. Another thing you could also do is turn off all of your HUD for the game. And that's a good way to get good images. Or you can find a YouTube video of somebody else has turned off the HUD and just take a screenshot. So this image right here, this is simply a screenshot from somebody else's gameplay that had the HUD turned off. And I inputted my own images. This is an image of Shogun IRL, and this is an image of my IRL M249. They just fit the aesthetics of the game. So I used them for a thumbnail. This was the original thumbnail I was going to go with. I decided not to. It's just too busy. It's not simple enough. It doesn't really do it justice for me. So I went and changed it to this. And these are some of my other things that I've done. This is a Black Mesa thumbnail that I think was done really well. This is a image I ripped off the internet. I had a AI generate the headset. Then I cropped it out using the background removal tool, and I put it in just like this. So a lot of stuff you can find images on the internet to use and just kind of mess them together and remove the background to make your own image. like I did here. I mean, these are all separate pieces, and this is just a strap. Like if I change this, see, this is another headset that I just use the strap from, which I could have technically used it. Like, see, I could have used this headset if I wanted to, but it just doesn't really fit the aesthetics as much as this other one. I think this one just looks better, so I went with this headset. But that's how you do thumbnails in Canva for your upcoming YouTube videos. Hopefully this was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.